Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy. Today I bring a new video, new PPT about blood circulation, which is helpful for the M.Sc students. This is my personal PPT, so I wish to share it for the students who are searching for the PPT preparation about blood circulation. The synopsis is introduction, definition of blood circulation, comparative study of blood circulation in fish, blood circulation in amphibians, blood circulation in reptiles, blood circulation in birds, blood circulation in mammals, blood circulation in human being, structure of human circulatory system, difference between oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood, conclusion and reference. Introduction. Blood circulation is the circulation of blood which carries various substances including gases throughout the body. Circulatory system. The circulatory system is responsible for transport of various substances in human beings. It is composed of heart, arteries, veins and blood capillaries. Blood plays the role of the carrier of substances. Definition of blood circulation. The circulatory system is made up of blood vessels that carry blood away from the towards the heart. Comparative study of blood circulation in fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Blood circulation in fish. Fish have a closed circulatory system with a heart that pumps blood around the body in a single loop from the heart to the gills, from the gills to the rest of the body and then back to the heart. This is the picture of blood circulation of fish. Blood circulation in amphibians. Amphibians have a closed circulatory system that is broken into two loops, a new designed to the heart which have three chambers: ventricle, pumping chamber, muscular and arteria, receiving chamber. Pulmonary circulation. Blood is pumped from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart. Systemic circulation. Blood is pumped from the heart to the parts of the body and back again. Blood circulation in reptiles. Reptiles and amphibians circulatory system are both closed and entail double circulation, in which veins carry blood towards the heart and arteries carry it away from the heart, while reptiles have either a 3 or 4 chambered heart. Blood circulation in birds. Birds have 4 chambered hearts made up of the right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. This division helps for efficient flow of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Birds also have specific adaptations for flight, including a larger heart relative to body weight and a faster heart rate. Blood circulation in mammals. In mammals, the circulatory is a closed type and blood is transported through blood vessels. The heart in mammals is 4 chambered with 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. Oxygenated blood from the right ventricle is carried by arteries to the whole body parts. Blood circulation in human. Humans have a closed blood circulatory system. Blood is carried to the heart by vein blood vessels and pumped out from the heart through artery blood vessels. This is the diagram of blood circulation in human. Artery, vein, blood capillaries. Artery is responsible the blood vessel that carries blood out of the heart. Vein, the blood vessel that carries blood into the heart. Blood capillaries act as connectors that join the blood vessels of arteries to veins. The vena cava carries deoxygenated blood from all the body of the right atrium. When it is filled with blood, the wall of the right atrium will contract and push the blood through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. When the right ventricle is filled with blood, its wall will contract and push the blood through the semilunar valve into the pulmonary artery and go to the lungs. Gaseous exchange takes place in the lungs. Carbon dioxide diffused out and oxygen diffused into blood. Oxygenated blood then flows from the lungs into the left auricle through the pulmonary vein. The left auricle wall contracts and pushes blood through the bicuspid valve into the left ventricle. The contraction of the left ventricle wall pushes blood through the semilunar valve into the aorta. The aorta then carries the blood to the whole body. The pathway of blood circulation. Vena cava, right auricle, tricuspid valve, right ventricle, semilunar valve, pulmonary artery, lungs, pulmonary vein, left auricle, bicuspid valve, left ventricle, semilunar valve, aorta, then whole body. Blood vessels are tubes in the body that channel blood. Artery, vein and blood capillaries. Three types of blood vessels. Artery, structure, function and type of blood carrier, rate of blood flow. This is the diagram. Artery has thick muscular and elastic vessel. Vein has thin lace. Blood capillaries has porous and it has thin wall, enable to gas exchange, very small. Difference between oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood present oxygen. In deoxygenated blood, oxygen is absent. Then carbon dioxide is absent in oxygenated blood and present in deoxygenated blood. Concentration of digestion food glucose is high in oxygenated blood, in low in deoxygenated blood. Waste product not present in oxygenated blood, present in deoxygenated blood. Blood vessel that carries it, artery and pulmonary vein, vein and pulmonary artery. Deoxygenated blood carries by veins and pulmonary artery. Circulatory system. The circulatory system carries two types of blood, oxygenated rich blood and oxygen poor blood. Blood traveling to the body cells, high oxygen content, low carbon dioxide content. Blood traveling away from the body cells, low oxygen content, high carbon dioxide content. Arrangement of the circulatory system means that these two types of blood do not mix. Conclusion. The circulatory system is a complex system of organs and vessels that functions to the transport blood, oxygen and other substances throughout the body and assist with a thermoregulation. These are the references. I hope this is helpful for your future study. Thank you and have a nice day.